What's up, everybody? Jerry with Dip and Rip Trading, where we are always ripping, here with another video. This time talking about the big one, ticker symbol AMC. On the day, AMC finished down 7.47% for a dollar cost of minus $2.73. Ended the intraday at $33.82. In the after hours, came down another roughly 30 cents, finished at $33.55 in the after hours. So just going to dive into the technicals, going to do a little bit of the Ortex data, as well as the Stonko tracker info, and we're going to look at the calls that are going to be finishing in the money, as well as where that dark pool percentage was at on the day. Man, it was kind of a crappy day. I will say that we got kicked in the mouth a little bit, but not really worried, because when in doubt, zoom out. Right now on the hourly, we are hovering right in between that 50 and 61.8% retracement zone, which is where AMC loves to bounce off of. So I'm not really worried with where we're sitting at now. In fact, I would actually kind of anticipate us to have a bounce from this, just from the previous trends over the last 5 or 6 trading days. I think it could dip a little bit lower, right around that 33.10 mark, maybe even a little lower than that, and then bounce. And then from there, we're going to be back over into that $34 and onward. So, again, this is just kind of where I'm foreseeing us to go. If it doesn't and it breaks down, we have a level of support right around $32.61, and then another one roughly around $31.50. So just keep that in mind when you guys are looking for, entry points. Again, but not really worried here. I mean, just looking at the 5-minute, you can tell here on the RSI in comparison to the chart how the RSI is trending up, but the candles are actually in a kind of like a consolidation phase, I would say. So anytime you see this is indicating bullish divergence, which is just a way to read when buyers are stepping back in to purchase. So I would anticipate us to have a little bit of momentum tomorrow, heading up, especially because we were pretty oversold on the day. So it's just my anticipation. Again, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own due diligence and your own technical analysis. If you aren't, it's definitely a good thing to learn. Me personally, I learned from 2 different guys, or actually I would say 3. I learned from Rainer Taylor, watching his videos, and then also from watching Trey, and also Matt Kors. Matt Kors, if you guys want to learn about options, him and Jay from Flashpoint Capital, those are kind of the 2 that I kind of watch, and I try to reach out to Matt, but I know he's busy. But I reach out to Jay pretty regularly because he has a vast knowledge of the calls and puts and indicators to look at when anticipating when to purchase those. But anyway, that's pretty much it for the technical side. On the Ortex data, real quick, let me jump over to this. So Ortex, AMC, so we pretty much had a net neutral on the day. So we had 6.62 million shares returned, and then 7.06 borrowed. So it was relatively net neutral. We had a net borrow change of 446,000 shares. Current short interest of the free float is just over 18%. The utilization came down a little bit, just under 2%, or just under 91% utilization. And the shares on loan came down just over 5%. But we're still over 100 million, which is definitely an improvement from where we were 2 weeks ago or so, when we were still in the 80s. So we've definitely been stair-stepping our way up in terms of that shares on loan. And then the exchange reported short interest is also still up just under 8% there. So overall, I mean, not a horrible day. I mean, like I said, we did get kicked in the teeth a little bit, but I would expect us to have a little bit of a bounce tomorrow. But again, you never know. I mean, the stock market is definitely unpredictable. It's not a guarantee by any means. So just keep that in mind, and definitely be trading at your own risk. Anyways, you guys know the deal. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. That'll do it for this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks.